So whether you're just starting out in photography or you're already an established photographer, you need a good way to deliver your photos to clients. And you also need a way to present yourself to clients through a professional website. Now, normally that would cost you an arm and a leg, but in this video, I'm going to tell you about the absolute best platform you could be using right now called Pixieset. So if you want a professional way to present your photos to your clients, present yourself to your clients, and have a way to sell your photos in both print and digital copies all on one platform, then Pixieset is definitely the platform for you. And the best part of it all is you could start it for free with very little limitation. So let's talk about it. So in this video, I'm going to tell you some of the basics about Pixieset and how it could help you. Also, in the link in the description is a referral code. That way you get extra storage if you sign up through that referral code. So the free plan for Pixieset includes 3 GB of storage for your client galleries. It also includes a free website platform and integration with an automatic fulfillment store. So the client galleries, they look absolutely beautiful. You can upload your photos easily, organize them in different sets, set passwords, client-only access. You could have your clients set photos as private. You could automatically watermark your photos. And best of all, it integrates with a store feature where your clients can order prints directly from you. You don't have to take care of any shipping or handling of the actual products. It's automatically sent from the print lab right to your clients. There's also a feature where you could sell digital copies of your photos, which is great if you do a photo shoot for a set amount of money and charge someone per picture. The only real drawback for the free plan is that they take a 15% commission on any sales made through their store, which personally I think is extremely reasonable. Their basic plan starts at $8 a month and removes that commission fee altogether. Now the website free plan is basically everything you need as a starting photographer. Building the website itself on their platform is a drag and drop editor where you can add elements in, remove elements. Everything you can build is directly done right on your browser. You don't need to know any kind of web design. You don't need to know any kind of code. It's very easy to set up. Now, if you're using the free plan, you're not going to be able to use your own domain name, which is okay because it'll be yourname.pixieset.com. If you upgrade later to their paid plans, you could switch your domain name over and all of your stuff will move over seamlessly. And one thing that I did when I moved over from the free plan to the paid plan, I was worried that my old links wouldn't work anymore, but that's not the case. Older clients will still be able to access your website through your old links. New clients will also be able to access your new domain name seamlessly. What makes this platform so powerful is the store integration. You have complete control over the products that are listed, their prices, sizes, types of paper they're printed on, frame types. There's so many different options to choose from that it would take me all day on this video to go over all of them. Not only that, it gives you the lab cost of each item that you're pricing. That way you could streamline your pricing. You could also apply bulk markup pricing to all of your items by a percentage. So if you want to have a 20 to 30% markup on all of your photos, you could apply those all at once to a specific item. You can also add or remove items from your store. Say you don't want to sell wood prints or metal prints or canvases, you just want to sell traditional prints and fine art prints and different kinds of paper prints. You could do that too. It's a very simple system where you just click hide or click show for each of your products and set them all up that way. So this platform is perfect for a few things. You could use it to proof all your photos with your clients and have them make purchases of prints. You could also have them download entire galleries at once for a specific price. You could also use this system just for simply sharing photos with your clients if they paid you an all-inclusive price. So if your clients already paid you in person for your digital downloads, you could just upload all of their photos up to the gallery, give them the link and the download pin, and they could download them right to their computer. Snappy, quick as that. The best thing about Pixieset is that there's so much room to grow as your business grows. If you start in the free plan because you only have a couple of clients, you don't need a lot of storage. I think the free plan starts with 3 GB of storage, then moves up incrementally from there. But if you don't want to pay per month and you don't want to have so much overhead costs when you're just starting out as a photographer, Pixieset's the perfect way to do that. And personally, I think it's an excellent business plan by them because they're hooking you in. Once you start using Pixieset and you love using Pixieset and now your business starts to grow, they are going to make their money off of you as your business grows. So when photographers start getting more and more clients and they need more and more storage, they're going to be paying Pixieset more and more per month. But all of their costs for their website, their client gallery, all included. They also have a suite which includes all these apps for a discounted price. Is extremely reasonable. Before this, I used several different platforms with a different platform for my website, a different platform for my galleries, a different platform for storage. I was paying extra money for Dropbox and Google Drive and Squarespace and Pixieset. And now I have everything all in one with Pixieset, which is really cutting my overhead costs down for my photography. I'll also say that the quality of all the prints that have been ordered, be it canvas, metal, acrylic, or regular traditional prints, and even fine art prints, have been superb. I was struggling for so long to find a platform that would allow me to deliver my photos to my clients and have a website and present it in a very professional manner with a minimal amount of work. As a photographer, you want to spend more time taking pictures. You want to spend more time editing those photos. You don't want to spend all your time behind a computer screen trying to get those photos out to your clients. Your workflow should be streamlined, and Pixieset really helps you streamline that work. The people at Pixieset really understand what photographers need to make it in the business. So if you've been searching for a platform to start to grow on, I highly suggest you check out Pixieset. In the link below, I'm going to have a referral link. That will give you an extra 250 megabytes of storage. That's a whole photo shoot right there. So if you're looking to sign up for Pixieset, definitely use that link. You're going to want that extra storage. It'll let you stay on that free plan a little bit longer until you grow a little bit more. Alright, so I tried to keep this as concise and informative as possible. The best way you can learn about Pixieset is through using the link below in the description and checking it out. Whenever I see someone on a forum or on Facebook ask, what's the best way for me to deliver my photos to clients? What's the best way for me to have an online client gallery? What's the best way to sell my photos to clients? I always tell them Pixieset. So check the link in the description if you want to sign up for Pixieset. If you have any questions for me, you could reach me directly on my Instagram. It's @dom.iwc. I make a point to respond to every message I receive on Instagram, so don't be shy in sending me a message. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.